The Philips Sonicare 5100 toothbrush significantly enhances dental hygiene by improving gum health and removing 3 times more plaque along the gum line compared to manual toothbrushes. This electric toothbrush is equipped with a pressure sensor that alerts you if you are brushing too hard, thereby protecting sensitive gums. It offers 3 distinct brushing modes, including a clean mode for thorough cleaning, a white mode for surface stain removal, and a gum care mode for gentle gum massage. With up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, the Sonic technology effectively cleans teeth and eliminates plaque for a superior daily clean. Designed with portability in mind, the included travel case and long-lasting battery life make it an ideal companion for maintaining oral hygiene on the go. The sleek white design and ergonomic handle of the Philips Sonicare 5100 toothbrush make it a stylish and durable addition to your oral care routine.